Okay, this is Coach High again. This is Math Enrichment. We're going to go over how to find factors. This is 7.1b, prerequisite number 2. It's real simple, so we're going to get through this. The first thing you have to do is you have to start with 1 and its outer factor. So we're going to start with 1, and the outer factor would be 4. Okay. Next, step 2, you use 2 to see if the factor of the number has a multiple. So we're going to use 2 and see if 2 can go into 4. Yes, it can. So we would put another 2, but we only need just 1 2. So we'll go ahead and take that one out. The next number would be 3. Can 3 go into 4? 3 go into multiples of 4? No, it can't. So since it cannot, these are the factors of 4. 1, 2, and 4. Okay, the next one is 8. Once again, we're going to start with 1 and this outer factor. 1 and the outer factor would be 8. Now we're going to go with the next number, 2. Let's see if it has a factor of 8. How many times will 2 go into 8? You should be using your multiples chart. 2, 4, 6, 8. And 2 will go into 8 4 times. Okay, so you're going to put 4 right here. Okay, the next number would be 3. Will 3 go into 8? No, it won't. So since 3 can't go into 8, I'm not going to use it. The next number will be 4. Well, we already have 4. So we know 4 does go into 8 already. And it goes 2 times. What about 5? Will 5 go into it? No. So actually, we will continue using the low factors until they touch the outer factors in number order, which actually it does, since 3 cannot go into 8. Number 9. We start out with 1. And we put 9 out here as the outer factor. Now we'll start with 2. Can 2 go into 9? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, it doesn't. What about 3? 3, 6, 9. Yes, it does. 3 goes into 9 3 times. But we don't need 2 3s, so we'll take 1 out. What about 4? Will 4 go into 9? No. What about 5? Will 5 go into 9? No. Will 6 go into 9 evenly? No, it won't. So the only 3 factors are 1, 3, and 9. We'll do 24. We got 1 and 24. So 1, next number would be 2. Will 2 go into 24? Yes, it does, because 2, we know 2 goes into 4. So how many times will 2 go into 24? 2 goes in 24 12 times. Because the fact family is 2, 12, and 24. So 2 goes into 12. What about 3? Will 3 go into 24? Yes, it does, because we know that 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18, 24, 18, 21, 24. So we know that it goes into it 8 times. So we'll put an 8. Okay, so now we got, 4 going in 24. Well, yes, it does. And it goes into 24 how many times? So we're starting to run out of space. 12, 8. So 4 goes into 24 how many times? Well, we know 4 goes into 20 5 times, and so it actually makes 6. So now will 5 go into 24? No, it doesn't. So the last one, I want you to attempt the last one. So on your paper, you're gonna write out these steps, these 3 steps, and then I want you to work these that I've worked, and then I want you to do 30.